Today, we're taking a first look at the Berneron Quantième Annuel, the second act from one of indie watchmaking's most talked about new brands. Berneron first made waves with the Mirage 38, an unconventional, crash-like dress watch with a proprietary curved movement. But founder Sylvain Berneron was never going to stop there. His philosophy of de-restricted horology is all about pushing boundaries, and the Quantième Annuel proves just that. This watch takes a sharp turn from the Mirage. At first glance, it's a more traditional dress watch, 38mm wide, 10mm thick, with stepped lugs and a modern case design. But look closer, and you'll find innovation everywhere. The case construction is fascinating, mostly platinum, but reinforced with a 904L steel protective layer on the bezel, lugs, and crown. These parts can actually be replaced, ensuring the watch ages gracefully. On the dial, Berneron plays with symmetry and legibility. Time is displayed regulator style, with a jumping hour at 12, central minutes, and small seconds at 6. The annual calendar runs horizontally: day, retrograde date, and month, with a clever AM/PM indicator integrated inside the second sub-dial. Inside, the new caliber 595 is a hand-wound movement crafted in solid gold. It powers 4 jumping apertures, 2 hands, and a retrograde date, sometimes all jumping simultaneously. Thanks to twin barrels, it handles this energy-hungry setup while only needing adjustment once a year, on February 28th. The Quantième Annuel comes in 2 versions: black dial with silver accents or silver dial with blue accents, each limited to just 24 pieces per year. Pricing starts at 120,000 Swiss francs in 2026, rising gradually in the years that follow. With the Quantième Annuel, Berneron proves the Mirage wasn't a one-hit wonder. This is innovative, technical watchmaking wrapped in an elegant package, and it makes us very curious about what comes next. If you enjoyed this preview, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more independent watch reviews.